Hi guys, let's speak about my last experience in a widespread museum festival. I was in a big city and there was a very big festival with a lot of mini experience, immersive stuff and things to see. And I spent all my time to looking about how to try to maximize my day to see everything. Me and my girlfriend left our kids at home, so we want to see more as possible of this festival. And it happened something that I never thought about. Like around midday, I go to a kiosk of the event, asking for a paper map. Yeah, something that I never thought about. At least something that uh, let me let me give up with technology. It's very bad for me. I'm not used to do like this. I'm used to think about that technology need to help my experience, but after losing a lot of time to searching stuff on this city, I was very tired. Think about me on I was looking I was using my digital instrument like this, my phone. I open Google Map. I check, like I try to imagine where I was and close Google Map, open the website of the festival, and open the map, recognize where I was, clicking on the dot near me, checking the address, closing the website, open Google Map, and verify if the street are there, and reopen the website, and the map was closed automatically. And then I have to reopen the map, losing the time to loading a browser since the connection was not good, probably for the many people there, and to check the detail of what I try to say. I was trying to see, and yeah, I give up totally around midday, asking for a physical paper map. But do you want to know the funny thing? I used the paper map, just one time. You know what? Do you know why? Because it was very hard to read. There was a lot of dots with number, and first time that I use it, I didn't found in the long legend, in the long information of the events, and then I said, okay, don't care. I don't want to use it anymore. And so for this, if you have a big museum or a widespread festival or a widespread museum, something that need the people to localize themselves, please check how to improve this. Check the way to not let the user lose a lot of time, of their time, uh, finding themselves and where they are to access to your events, to your artworks, or what you want to show them as a cultural organization. There are many small things that you can see to improve it. You can just work on a UI, UX, and try to find a quick way to orient your visitor. So please improve this stuff, because otherwise, what will happen is that your visitor give up, and instead of see more as he can, he go to a bar and drinking a beer and don't see what you want. So please don't care about the channel that you are using. There are many channels, digital, physical. Care about the user experience and try by yourself. Go there, or better move, ask to a colleague to go there, a colleague that didn't prepare the itinerary, because you are not you are already conditioned by the itinerary that probably you prepared. So please ask to someone else to go there and report to you the experience for localize himself, because the important thing is to not lose time on that, but just focus on the cultural things that you are showing to them. Hoping that this reasoning could help you, and catch you next week. Bye.